Katyayani,
Hi, Rick.
are you aware about a yellow colored car which is present inside the airport premises and only runs on the runways?
No, I'm not.
Are you aware about a yellow colored car which only runs on the runways and is present beside the airport?
Are you talking about the Follow Me car?
Negative.
Then I don't know.
Om,
Yes.
are you aware about a car which only runs on the runway? A yellow colored car which is present inside the airport premises?
No.
No? Okay. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you what an airport surface friction test vehicle does. This car that you can see on your screens runs not on the roads but on the runways. And the importance of this car is as such: when it enters the runways, no plane is allowed to enter. So these yellow cars that you can see are actually vehicles which are used for runway friction tests. Runway friction tests are done at regular intervals so that the friction on the runway is always sufficient for safe operations. These tests are done for the safety and for the regulatory compliances that are required under the ICAO and the DGCA rules. So how the friction test actually happens is, as you can see, that there is a fifth wheel that is placed just below the rear bumper. This wheel is actually a copy of the wheels that are used in aircraft. So when this car actually runs on the runway, this wheel is deployed down and used at different speeds and different conditions to check the friction on different parts of the runway. You can see that this car also has a gigantic water tank placed in the rear part of it. This water tank, the water is also sprayed during the friction test in front of the friction test wheel to actually simulate the conditions that are there when it is raining. It actually creates a film of 1 mm of water and checks whether the friction is enough on the runway in case of bad weather as well. And in case if the friction is reduced, necessary actions such as removal of the rubber from the runway. So in India, the cars that were used to do the friction test includes Volvo V90s and the Saab 95, which were imported vehicles and were equipped and compliant of the ICAO regulations to conduct the friction test. But now there are indigenous made friction test vehicles which are actually deployed on ground, and 8 of these are working in different airports including the Kempegowda International Airport at Bangalore. These vehicles has been made under the Made in India scheme using the Citroen C5 cars. They also stand on the compliance of the ICAO and the DGCA rules. So next time when you're traveling and you can see the yellow cars parked in an airport, you can tell the person that is coming along with you that what are they made for. Follow us for more content such like this. This is Animesh Sanyas signing off. Bye bye.